People ask me how my fries get so crispy and tasty. Here's the secret. Start by peeling 2 medium potatoes. Next, cut them into strips, then into strips again. Now, transfer them to a medium bowl. Add enough cold water to cover them. Mix and let them soak for 10 minutes. After this indicated time, drain all the water from the potatoes and add 1 drizzle of olive oil. Also add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix until incorporated. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Once you've done that, in a baking sheet lined with non-stick baking paper, add the potatoes we prepared. Take this baking sheet to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 20 minutes. But keep an eye out, baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of milk, 5 grams of unsalted butter, 40 grams of cubed mozzarella cheese, and microwave for 30 seconds. Next, mix very well to melt the butter and the cheese. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right consistency. Once the fries have baked through, add 1 pinch of salt and mix until incorporated. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.